from R.D. Sharma, class 8th, chapter number 16. In that 16.1, we'll start question number 15. In that, what we had given, if figure 16.12, the bisector of A, angle A and angle B meet at the point P. If C equal to 100 and angle D equal to 50 degree, find the measure of angle PAPB. Now see the figure. What we have given, that angle D and angle C we had given. We have to find angle PAPB. Okay. In that, what we can do? First of all, we will just sum all this angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Let us see. Okay, what we had given, that angle D equal to 50 degree, angle C equal to 100 degree. Okay, and we have to find angle APB. First of all, we will sum all the angle that is given here. Okay, this all angle we will sum, which is equal to 360. We know that the sum of all the angle of quadrilateral is 360. So I am plussing it, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360. Okay, we had given angle D and C. So we'll write the value A angle B plus 100 plus 50 equal to 360. Angle A plus angle B plus 100 plus 50 is 150 equal to 360. So angle A plus angle B equal to 360. This 150 goes over here, so minus 150. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equal to, what is the answer? 0, 1 and 2. 2, 10 is the answer. Give that number 1. Now here, first see, we had find out that A plus B, which is equal to 2, 10. 2, 10. Now this we have to find in triangle APB, sum of all the angle is equal to 180. Okay, if we'll sum all the angle, then it is equal to 180. Here we have to take angle A as half. Yes, because here line segment is there, so half angle A and half angle B. Okay, both the angle we have to take half. So what we have to write? Half angle A plus half angle B plus angle APB. APB, which is equal to 180. Okay, this is the property, that sum of all the angle of triangle which is equal to 180. That only I am writing over here. That half angle A plus half angle B plus angle APB, which is equal to 180. Now we will solve it. Half of common, so angle A plus angle B. This in both side we half of common I had taken, plus angle APB equal to 180. Now we know the value of angle A and angle B plus angle B, which is equal to 120. So I am writing here half into 210 plus angle APB equal to 180 from 1. Okay, from 1 I had taken, so I had written here from 1. Now cancel, 2 ones are 0 and 5. So 105 plus angle APB equal to 180. Therefore, this 105 goes over here. APB equal to 180 minus 105. Therefore, angle APB equal to, what is the answer? 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 0 is 7 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 75 degree. So angle APB equal to 75 degree. So here I can write angle APB is 75 degree. 16th one. In a quadrilateral ABCD, the angle A, B, C and D are in the ratio 1:2:4:5. Find the measure of each angle of the quadrilateral. Now we had given the angles in ratio form. Now we have to find the angle. First of all, we write question number 16. In that, let the measure of each angle be x. Okay, so then ratio become, what ratio we had given? 1:2:4:5. This ratio converting x, the x is to 2x is to 4x, ratio 5x. Now we have to sum this ratio. So what we can do, the sum of all angle in quadrilateral is 360. Okay, this is 360. So x plus 2x plus 4x plus 5x equal to 360. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. X equal to 360. So x equal to 360 upon 12. 12 ones are and 12 30s are. Therefore x equal to 30 degree. And here we had only find the value of x. Now we have to find the each value of angle. So first we will find thus the angle R. First is x only, so 30. Second is 2x equal to 2 into 30, which is equal to 60 degree. Third angle is 4x, so 4 into 30, which is 120 degree. Last one, 5x equal to 5 into 30, which is equal to 150 degree. Understood? Now we'll do question number 18. 18th one. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon when each of its angle has a measure of 60. Now for the finding the sides of regular polygon, their formula is, question number 18, each interior angle equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90 whole degree, where n equal to number of sides. Number of sides. This is the formula to find side. Now for the first one, your question is 160. Now this formula we have to use. Here the angle given. Okay, angle given. So first of all we write each interior angle equal to 2n minus 4n into 90 degree. So each angle is given. So 160 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90. This 90 comes over here, so it comes in division form this here. So 90 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n. 0 0 cancel. So therefore 16 upon 9 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n. Cross multiplication like this way. So therefore 16n equal to 9 bracket 2 minus 4. 16n equal to 9 2s are 18n minus 9 4s are 36. Therefore this 16 goes over here and this minus 36 comes over here. So minus become plus equal to 18n. This plus become minus 16n. Therefore 36 equal to 18 minus 16 is 2n. Therefore 36 upon 2 equal to n. 2 1s are 2 2, 2 8s are 16. Therefore 18 equal to n. Therefore n equal to 18. Understood? Let us do now third one. Third one question is 175 degree. So our formula is each interior angle equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90 degree. So in angle is 75 degree. 175 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90. This 90 comes over here. So here in multiplication it will goes in division. So 2n minus 4 upon n. Here cancel it. 5 18s are and 5 35s are. Therefore 35 upon 18 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n. The cross multiplication 35 n equal to 18 into 2n minus 4. Therefore 35n equal to 18 into 2, which is equal to 36n minus 18 into 4, 72. Same way this minus 72 comes over here and 35n goes over there. Therefore 72 equal to 36n minus 35n. Therefore 72 equal to n. Therefore n equal to 72 is the answer. Now let us do the fifth one. Question is 150. Okay, 150. So formula is each interior angle equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90. Angle is 150 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90. 90 comes over here. So 150 upon 90 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n. 0 0 cancel. Okay. So 3 3s are and 3 5s are. So 5 upon 3 equal to 2n minus 4 upon n. Now cross multiplication. So 5n equal to 3 2n minus 4. 5n equal to 3 2s are 6n minus 3 4s are 12. Therefore 12 equal to 6n minus 5n. Therefore 12 equal to n. Therefore n equal to 12. Question number 19. Find the number of degree in each exterior angle of a regular pentagon. What we have to find here? Number of degree means angle. Okay, angle we have to find, and the formula of exterior angle is 360 upon n. Here n is side, so we know the regular pentagon has how many sides, which is 5. So instead of n, what comes over here? 5. Let us solve it. Question number 19. First of all, we'll write the formula. Each exterior angle equal to 360 upon n. Here n is sides. Okay, so for regular pentagon, n equal to what? 5 sides. So we'll write instead of n 5. So what is the formula? Each exterior angle equal to 360 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5, 7s are, and 2s are 72s are. So angle of each exterior number of each exterior angle is 72 degree. Now let us see the 21. The measure of angle of hexagon are x minus 5, x minus 5 degree, 2x minus 5 degree, 2x minus 5 degree, 2x plus 20 degree. Find the value of x. Now you had given all the degree, all the angle of hexagon, and hexagon, formula of hexagon, the sum of angle of a hexagon, which is equal to 720. Okay, let us solve it. In question number 20, first we have to write, we know that sum of all the angles of a hexagon is 720. Okay, whichever the angle we had given, we have to plus that. So plus it. First is x, second x minus 5, plus third x minus 5, plus 2x minus 5, plus 2x minus 5, plus 2x plus 20 equal to 720. Okay, now we will solve it. Therefore x plus x minus 5 plus x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 plus 2x plus 20 equal to 720. Now plus it. X 1, x plus x 2x plus x 3x plus 2x 5x plus 2x 7x plus 2x 9x. So minus 5 minus 5, minus minus plus, so minus 10. Minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15, minus 15 minus 5 minus 20, and plus 20. So minus 20 plus 20 equal to 720. Therefore minus 20 plus 20 cancel, so 9x equal to 720. Therefore x equal to 720 upon 9. So x equal to 9 ones are 9, 8 is are, so 80 degree. Here x equal to 80 degree. Okay, only we have to find the x, because in question number 20 we had asked that find the value of x, not the angle. So we are not finding the angle, only finding the value of x. Let us do 22(1). In 22, the sum of the interior angle of polygon is 3 times the sum of its exterior angle. Okay, sum of the interior angle of the polygon. Now we have to find, we had given that sum of interior angle which is equal to 3 times the sum of exterior angle, and we have to find the number of sides of polygon. Okay, so what we had given, we will write first that given, which is sum of the interior angle equal to 3 times sum of the exterior angle. Okay, so what is the formula of interior angle? Which is 2n minus 4 upon n into 90 equal to an exterior angle 360 upon n. Okay, both formula we know. 3 times we had given, so we had multiply with 3. Now both the n we can cancel it over here only, because it is in multiplication, we can cancel it. Now this one, 2n minus 4 equal to this 90 goes over here, so 3 into 360 upon 90, 0 0 cancel, 9 1s are 9 4s are. Okay, then 2n minus 4 equal to 3 4s is 12. Okay, so this 4 goes away here, so 2n equal to 12 plus 4, so 2n equal to 12 plus 4, which is equal to 16, so n equal to 16 upon 2, therefore 2 1s are and 2 8s are, so n equal to 8 is your answer. Now we'll do question number 23. Question number 23. Determine the number of sides of a polygon whose exterior and interior angles are in the ratio 1n:5. Now we had given that the exterior and interior angle are in ratio, that is 1:5, and we have to find the number of side of polygon. Okay, first of all, let the number of side of polygon be n, and another let which is given that the exterior and interior angle be x and phi x, both x and phi x, and we know that the sum of an interior and corresponding exterior angle is 180. Now sum of its interior and corresponding angle is 180, so we can write this x plus phi x, so x plus phi x equal to 180. Okay, so x is 6x equal to 180, the x equal to 180 upon 6, cancel it, so 6 1s are 6 30s are, therefore x equal to 30 degree. Now we have that the side of polygon be n. Okay, so sum of exterior angle, sum of exterior angle equal to 30n. Okay, now we know that the sum of all the exterior angle is 360 Okay, all the exterior angle is 360. That is, we can write 30n equal to 360. Therefore, n equal to 360 upon 30. 0 0 cancel. 3 1s are 1s are and 2s are. Therefore, n equal to 12 is the answer. Understood? First, we have to suppose that let the number of side of polygon be n. Exterior angle and interior angle we had given, which is x and phi x in ratio form. So we had written x and phi x. Now we know that the interior and the corresponding exterior angle is 180. So plus it equal to 180. Then solve it, which is 30 degree. After that, sum of exterior angle equal to 30n, because the side of polygon is equal to n. And we know that the sum of the exterior angle is 360. Therefore, the 30n equal to 360. So n equal to 360 upon 30. So n equal to 12. So the number of side of polygon is 12. Thank you for watching this video.